Hi everyone, it's Angie Rupert, founder of Rupert Law. We handle exclusively E1 and E2 visas, so no matter what treaty country you're from or where you want to be, we can help. Today we're going to talk about the trade requirement of the E1 visa, right? So there are three kind of aspects to the trade. One is it must be international in nature. Number two is there must be a true exchange. And number three, of qualifying goods or services. So let's talk about the international, shall we, with the exchange, right? Because those kind of go hand in hand. So the exchange is to say this: the goods or services must be coming from one country and the money coming from another. So the goods or services will pass from one country to the other, and the money will pass from the recipient country back to the country where the goods or services came from. Now, why I'm saying the country is because sometimes the E1 visa business is in the US and sometimes it's in your home country. It doesn't necessarily have to be one or the other, but there has to be an exchange between the two. So again, country one, maybe the US, maybe your home country, produces goods and services, and then the money is coming from the other country to the country that produces the goods and services, okay? So that's that true exchange and international aspect. The final aspect is a qualifying good or service. So essentially almost anything, of course, that's legal could work. Goods are a little bit easier to find or easier to understand, right? So you sell pencils, they come from the US to your home country. People in your home country pay the US business. That's the exchange, right? For services, it can be a little bit murkier, right? But we always recommend that the services are done in the home country and the clients are the goods or services are done in one country and the clients are in the other. So the country with the clients are paying the country with the goods and services, and vice versa. Goods and services are produced in the other country and sent to the customers or clients in the other, if that makes sense. So if it makes sense or if it doesn't make sense, give us a call and we can talk a little bit more about the facts. We'd love to speak with you about your E1 visa.